O is the circumcenter of triangle ABC and D is the midpoint of the base BC. Prove that angle BOD is equal to angle A. So first thing is we need to understand the word circumcenter. O is the circumcenter of triangle ABC. What does it mean? Any idea? So if we have a triangle, any random triangle, this is the center, right? We have a triangle which is circumscribed by a circle, right? I think I have it here, concentric circles. Okay, I don't have it, I'll add it, or you guys can also write it yourself. So circumscribing a circle, circumscribed by a circle. A triangle is being circumscribed by a circle. Okay, just a second, let me, no, that won't work. Okay, so triangle ABC. So we have ABC. D is the midpoint. So this is your midpoint of the base BC. Prove that angle BOD. Okay, this particular angle BOD is equal to angle A. This particular angle, right? So that's the question. So what do we have? We have something like this, so on and so forth. So this is supposed to be perpendicular. I mean, midpoint supposed to be perpendicular. Okay, let me join this properly. Yeah. Is that okay? Think so. So this says point D, right? So that's O. So we have ABC and O, and this is D, right? Now we have the diagram. Can you have a look? So what is that we are looking at? O is the circumcenter of the triangle ABC and D is the midpoint of the base BC. Prove that angle BOD, this particular angle, is equal to angle A. Right, how will we do this? See, angle A and angle BOD is related to what angle? What is the common angle that it's related to? If you guys answer that, you are pretty much done. Yes, it's related to angle BOC. This entire angle, let me show this. This entire angle. How are they related? Next question is, how are they related? Well, angle A is half of angle BOD. If I call angle BOD as 2x, this entire thing is 2x, then angle A is x and angle BOD is also x. Now you guys have to give the reason why is it so. So this is x and this is also x. And this also will be x. Why is it so? Well, because OD bisects 2x, so the other one of the half will be x. And this theorem, what theorem? Have a look. Where is it? Over here. The angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. Right? Because of that reasoning, you have this particular scenario. Okay, guys. Okay, so what is that we are looking at? We have to prove angle, sorry, just a second, angle BOD is equal to angle A, right? So how will we prove this? So we can start off with talking about angle BOC being equal to 2x. Let angle BOC be equal to 2x. Okay. And next thing what? Then we have angle BAC will be equal to angle BOC by 2. So that will be equal to x. But why is it so? Why is this so? Quite simple. We have here angle subtended by an arc at the center is equal to the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. So if I can rephrase it as angle subtended by a chord or an arc or segment within a segment for a given segment with the center with the circumference is half the angle subtended by it at the circumference at the center, sorry, right? So we have that to be, yes, x. Next is angle BOD. So how will I find angle BOD? We have to consider what triangle? Yes, in triangle BOC. Let me show that. We have this to be BOC. Okay. So what about this triangle? Well, in this triangle, we have angle B to be equal. Sorry, not angle B, angle BDO to be equal to angle ODC. Both are equal to 90 degree. Why? OD is the midpoint. Okay, so that will be a lengthy answer actually. Let me not do this. That is perpendicular, but let me not go to that. So we have, let me see, OD is common. Then we have BC, BD actually is equal to, BD is equal to DC. Then we have this to be common and this to be radius, right? And we are done. So let's not make it complicated. So OD is common. Sorry, in triangle BOC. Oh yeah, I was going for that actually. Okay, my bad. I should be talking about triangle BOD and not this color. BOD and triangle DOC. What do we have? OD is common. OB is equal to OC because they are radius. Then we have BD is equal to DC as D is midpoint. So with all of this, what can we tell? Triangle BOD is congruent to triangle COD, right? By SSS congruency. Okay. What next? So if these two triangles are congruent, this implies what? Angle BOD is equal to angle DOC. Agree? So basically, what we can do is we can rewrite angle BOD plus angle DOC as angle BOC, but these two are equal. Therefore, I have 2 times of angle BOD is equal to 2x, right? This is from 1 that we got this to be equal and we are multiplying this to, and therefore angle BOD is equal to x. So clearly we have angle BOD is equal to angle A is equal to x. Okay, hence proved. So this would be our answer.